Hello, students. Good afternoon. We are starting the first chapter of class 10 chemistry, chemical reactions and equation. We are starting this chapter, chemical equation and reaction, right? As you could see, the chapter starts with chemical change. If you remember in our online classes, previous videos that have uploaded, I had discussed with you chemical change. Now the question comes, what is a chemical change? Or what do you mean by this term chemical change? A chemical change is a permanent, irreversible change in which new substances are being formed. Okay, that is it is a change in which new substances are formed. It is a change in which it is irreversible. It is a change which is permanent. Once the change occurs, it occurs forever. Right? Now, how could we identify that a chemical change has taken place? A chemical change has taken place by the following form. That is, there might be a change in state, there might be a change in color, or there might be evolution of certain gases, right? Or there might be some variation in temperature. Some examples will make you clear in it. Okay, first of all, suppose I tell you that how does a change in state takes place. You might have seen rusting of iron. A new iron piece is very much bright and shiny, but after it starts rusting, what happens? It starts producing certain flakes of rust. That flakes of rust actually indicates that the process of rusting has taken place. Change in color. You might have seen that the mangoes in your tree at this moment they are green because they are raw mangoes. After a couple of weeks you will see the same mangoes turning yellow. That means a chemical change has taken place, right? It can be evolution of gas. When a candle is burnt, at that time what happens? The candle on being burning starts producing carbon dioxide gas, right? After some time what happens? The size of the candle decreases. What is the meaning of that? That means that there is a evolution of gases. Now, variation temperature always takes place. Suppose when you cook your food, the cooked food and the raw materials are entirely different. We cannot get back the raw materials from the cooked food. Okay, so these are some of the examples by which we can say that a chemical change has taken place, right, children? Now we are going to discuss now what is a chemical equation. A chemical equation is a shorthand representation of the whole chemical process by help of symbols and formula. If you remember, in your class 9 we had discussed about symbol. Now the question comes, what is a symbol? A symbol is of a shorthand representation of that of an element, right? Yes, can you now just see the papers? Okay, just wait.